Welcome to Wagner Online. This video is to show you another nuance in the ATLA religion database, and that is searching scripture, but the ones that have multiple books. So when you are searching, say, for 1 Kings, you would not be entering it here. This would be searching it as a keyword and phrase. So you want to get all the content that is specific to your topic. So click Indexes, and we are going to click that down arrow to search Bible citation. And instead of putting in 2 Kings, like 2 Kings, the database puts these in alphabetical order. So it's going to start with Kings, and then we're going to put in the number 2. And you can see here, it's giving me the, what is it called? The prompt for correcting. So choose second. So this database will put the books of the Bible in alphabetical order. Those that have multiple books, it will put them in the order, obviously numerically, but also will tag on how you verbalize it. So this is second, so it's 2ND. If you were looking at 1 Kings, it would be 1ST. Or third would be 3RD. So just keep that in mind. When we click Browse, and it's saying, oh, I couldn't find this, but you will see the listings here of the references for 2 Kings, and then the different chapters as well. If you need help, please contact the library.